Channel. Today's video is about growing turmeric at home. So I have grown this turmeric from the rhizomes which I have bought from my local grocery store, and you can also grow from the grocery store rhizome, and it is very easy to grow, and there are so many benefits of turmeric. So I have taken the turmeric rhizomes, and you can see they are like 7 or 8 rhizomes. So I put them in a paper towel, and after 4 weeks they started showing the roots and some shoots. So it is not ready now to plant. I will wait like 3 or 4 weeks more. So when they will have more roots and more shoots, then I will plant them outdoor in some pot or in the ground. So today I am going to plant them in a pot, and those which has a big roots like this one, and those which has less roots, I will wait for them another 2 3 weeks. So these are about 4 rhizome which has good roots and good shoots. So I'm going to plant them. You can see they have quite big roots now, and they are ready to be planted. So turmeric is very easy to grow. Just put them in a paper towel and spray some water on the towel so that it be a moist paper towel, and then you can store them in a plastic container with a tight lid. So cover them and keep indoor, and after 4 weeks you will see that when they will start showing some roots and shoots, then you can spray a little bit more water. So this is after 2 weeks of planting. You can see they have grown quite big, and their leaves are very beautiful, and they give some flower also, but it takes time like 5 to 6 months, and normally they mature in 8 to 10 months, and you have to wait for the multiplying of the rhizomes in the ground. So basically, they are very beautiful flowering and leaf plants, you can see, and they have so many benefits. You can check online, and after another 4 weeks, so total 3 months, the frost has killed them, and I have to dig them and check if they have developed any rhizomes or not. So today I'm going to take all of them out from the pots. I have grown in 2 pots, 4 in 1 pot and 4 in other pots. Let's see if they have any grown the rhizome. So I can see they have a good root system, but the rhizomes dividing, I don't see. Maybe only in 1 and 2 plants they have divided some rhizomes. I can see that, and in total there are 8 rhizomes which I planted before, and they have developed some 2 3 more rhizomes. Normally it takes 8 to 10 months, but in my area it is very cold area, and the rhizomes could not develop because they could not get the time. So if you grow, keep in mind that it will be taking like 8 to 10 months. So it is only 3 months, so they have not developed much rhizomes, maybe 1 or 2 or 3. So guys, I hope you like this video, and you will also grow these turmerics at home from the store-bought turmeric, and they are very easy. Just put them in paper towel, spray some water, and keep them moist in a tight lid container. After 4 or 5 weeks they will start showing the shoots and the roots, and then they will be able to be planted outdoor. So guys, thank you for watching the video. I hope you like the video. If you like, kindly share and subscribe my channel so that I can make more videos like this. So this is the result. Thank you guys. See you in my next video. Till then, bye.